Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Jonathan Naya and I'm 31 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm single, mother of two.
Okay. How old are your children?
My eldest is 10 and the youngest is 5.
Okay. So how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay. So how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
They are living in Taiwan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,800.
How many family members there?
There are 4 and 2 kids.
Okay. So how old the kids?
When I was arrived here, they were the eldest is 5 and the youngest is 3.
Okay. So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and then I bring the dog for a walk for almost 30 minutes. And then after that, when I go up, I will prepare the water bottle of the eldest. And then when they go to school, I begin to clean the living room, the study room, and the one toilet.
Okay.
After I finish, the youngest one will wake up. I will take care of him, and then we'll prepare his lunch at exactly 11:30 a.m. Prepare him for school. After the youngest one will leave the house, I will clean the my boss room, and then the child's room, and then clean the toilet. After, I will iron the clothes, and then I will finish at 2:30 p.m. I will go and pick up the eldest one. After that, when I go home, I will fix the house, and at 5 o'clock, I will prepare the dinner. At 8:30 p.m., I will bring the dog again down to take a walk.
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
9:30.
Okay, thank you so much.